Hey, what's up, Rico gang? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are back with more NFT education. All right, now this video I want you to pay attention to because whenever I get a chance to teach you something new or to talk about a different part of the game that we haven't previously covered, then I'm all for that. So today we're gonna cover the MetaPanda Squad. All right, and this actually came across my radar because this NFT is actually on Solana, right? So let's talk a little bit about what Solana is because most NFTs are actually on the Ethereum blockchain, all right? So let's talk about Solana. Solana is a public blockchain platform. It achieves consensus using the proof of stake mechanism. Its internal cryptocurrency is SOL. In 2021, Bloomberg journalist Joanna Ossinger describes Solana as a potential long-term rival for Ethereum, right? Citing superior transaction speeds and lower associated costs. All right, so off the bat, before I even take a look at this NFT, which we'll go back to the screen, before I take a look at it, let me break that down and tell you what that means in ordinary terms. All right, so Solana is growing, right? Solana is growing, and it's a potential competitor to Ethereum, right? What's the biggest complaint that you might hear in all the NFT communities? Man, I'm tired of these gas fees. I'm tired of these high fees. So not only is Solana faster, but it also has lower transaction fees. So any NFT built on that definitely has a chance to rise seriously because as Solana goes, then these projects are gonna go, right? So let's cover the MetaPanda Squad, all right? So pre-sale is in 6 days from today, all right? A million years ago, they created humans implanting a new gene into primates to improve them. But the race they created was not powerful enough for their plans, and their disappointment gave way to anger, seeing what humans had done to the world. Another experiment was needed to replace this one, using a strong creature, sacred and revered by people since time immemorial, pandas. Thousands of pandas were kidnapped and genetically modified, but the experiment did not go as planned. Too powerful, evolving too fast, with a problematic taste for blood. The pandas were rushed back to Earth. The new superior race formed the most dangerous coalition ever seen. The future of humanity and the world is now very uncertain. All right, so they have a pretty cool hype video, which I'll let you, if you want to go on their site, check out. But so this is an NFT play to earn project. Once again, we're talking about some value though, because if you can earn from it, if you can make money from it, then of course it's a dope investment. I see that Goku outfit. I want that one. But MetaPanda Squad is a private collection of 7,777 MetaPanda NFTs on the Solana blockchain, unique digital collectibles. So the pre-sale is December 16th, the open sale is on the 19th, and each of them is of course uniquely different, all right? So value and growth. 30% of the royalties will be used to sweep the floor, and the NFTs will be burnt into bring more rarity to holders. Okay, so that's pretty dope. What they're saying is that once they're at a certain point, you're not gonna have to rely on other people to come in to rise the floor. I have a video talking about what the floor price even means. I'll link that below, but they're gonna do it for you. So after a certain point, they themselves are gonna up the value of this thing, right? So NFT drop. After our public mint, we will be releasing a limited list of baby pandas. If you hold in your wallet, you will be entitled to receive a baby panda. Okay, that's pretty cool. Play to earn. Launching the play to earn video game. Each NFT owner will be able to play with his own character. I can't stress enough how valuable that is, all right? NPS token. Launching of the MetaPanda Squad token that you can win on the video game. All right, so now, like many others, they sort of have their own currency. So yeah, where's the Goku jacket at? I can't find the Goku jacket. But let's talk about the roadmap launch, all right? 7,777 pandas create the MetaPanda Squad. Welcome to the clan. Join our Discord group to know all events and specs. Giveaway. 10 NFTs per day will be offered for free to active members during 10 days before the mint, all right? So you probably need to get in there now if you want to try to get one of these for free. The most invested members will be able to be involved in the strategic choices of the project, as we love our community and we want to share the maximum value with you. Then, of course, launching of the pre-sale, right? Let's go over the roadmap growth, all right? 7 holders will be randomly chosen to win $1,000 per month each during a year. Oh, wow. That's pretty valuable. 30% of beat royalties, we talked about that. They're going to sweep the floor. All holders will receive baby pandas for free. Launch of the play to earn game, right? PVM and PvP, fight to earn tokens, right? Bro, a fighting game to where we can, man, I'm in, bro. Each NFT owner will be able to play with his own character and will receive rewards and gains, all right? And then creation of their actual token, MPS, MetaPanda Squad, the rarest coin in the metaverse, Panda universe. Owners will be able to win tokens in the game, trade their NFT, and use it to evolve their character to become the leader of the game, all right? So they have as well what they're calling a light paper, and it's just basically a summary of everything that everything that just comes within the game. All right, so this project, this is very well put together. All right, like if you've noticed, everything about the projects that I'm covering, this is quality, and you can't beat that. And as far as a project to trust, you know what I'm saying, those are signs you need to look for, right? So now let's of course go do our ceremonial Twitter check. Okay, see, there seems to be a bit of hype around this one and demand. Look at these responses, right? Let's go check and make sure they're real responses, real accounts. Oh yeah, these are real accounts, real people. So they have emotion on this one, man. Y'all need to tell me what you think in the comments about this one. Go join their Discord. Okay, let's go complete the steps. Come here, submit. So the pre-sale, so let's talk about the price a little bit. The pre-sale will be 0.99 Solana, all right? So let's do that to US dollars. So that's about $179, okay? So that's actually pretty good as far as price point to enter in for an NFT like this, all right? So let me know in the comments what y'all think, man. We signing out. Love y'all, man. Let's get it.